I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about Mapei Topcem. Mapei Topcem is a special product. It's not a regular fast drying screed. Instead, Mapei Topcem is a fast setting hydraulic binder that has been specifically designed for fast track construction with fast drying and controlled shrinkage. Topcem is a hydraulic binder which, when mixed with graded aggregates and water, can produce mortars that can set in approximately 24 hours and dry in just 4 days. It can be used bonded, unbonded and floating on both existing and new concrete floors prior to the installation of wood, PVC, vinyl, ceramics, natural stone, carpet and any other floor covering where rapid drying is considered for short-term installation. Mapei Topcem is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Mapei Topcem can offer drying times as quick as 4 days, light traffic after just 12 hours and completely dry after 4 days for laying resilient flooring and wooden floors. Other benefits are fast track construction with ceramic tiles can be laid just after 24 hours and natural stone after just 2 days. Mapei Topcem is adept at patching and repairing floor screeds where rapid restoration is required, as well as the preparation of screeds which incorporate underfloor heating systems. Other tips are that it's ready for use after 4 days, with residual moisture after those 4 days being less than 2%. Mapei Topcem aggregates and water can be mixed using a screed pump, forced action mixer. However, mixing manually with a shovel is not recommended, and it does not permit thorough dispersion of the components of Topcem. In places where it is not possible to use a mechanical mixer and small areas that require the mixing to be done by hand, it is recommended to thoroughly dry mix the Topcem with aggregates before adding water in small amounts, turning the mix until a damp earth consistency is attained. The great drying time, controlled shrinkage and fantastic compressive and flexural strength make Mapei Topcem an exceptional product for you to use for your floor. It is a fast drying screed that will provide you with the strength and performance you desire. I hope this helps with your Mapei Topcem questions. Do get in touch for more information.